Hi guys, welcome back to another Onam special video. If you haven't watched the last Onam special video, then the link is in the description below. Today's Onam special dish is potato stew. It is a very tasty dish and a must have with the Onam Sadhya. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
The first thing we are going to need is coconut milk. So for that, let's grate half a coconut and let's transfer it to a mixie jar. I'll add some water to this to get a good coconut milk extract. Now let us grind this. Now let us extract the coconut milk from the coconut paste. We are going to need 2 coconut milk extracts. So this will be part of the first extract. I am using a filter to extract the coconut milk. You can also use a cloth to do the same. Remember to put the coconut residue back into the mixie jar, as this will be part of our second coconut milk extract. Now add around quarter cup of water into the mixie jar. Now let us grind that as well. Let us extract the coconut milk from this as well, but in a different bowl. The first coconut milk extract will have a thicker consistency, whereas the second extract will be slightly lighter or watery. Both our extracts are now ready. Let us keep it aside for now and let's move on to the next step. Now take 2 large potatoes and let's peel off the skin from it. Now let us cut the potatoes into small pieces. Now put the chopped potatoes into a bowl filled with water. This will prevent the potatoes from becoming brownish. Now let me chop the other potato as well. Next, let's take 2 large onions and let's peel off its outer layer. Now let me chop the onions. Next, take 2 small pieces of ginger and let's chop them as well. Next, take around 4 green chillies and you can either chop them or cut them vertically as I am doing it here. Take around 2 stems of curry leaves and let me place it along with the other ingredients. Now let's take a pan and keep it on medium flame. Now pour the second extract of the coconut milk, that is the one with the thinner consistency, into the pan. Now let us add our chopped potatoes into the pan and let's boil it for around 5 minutes. Now let us add our chopped onions, green chillies and chopped ginger into the pan. Allow it to boil for 5 more minutes. Next, let's add some salt and let's make sure to mix everything properly. Let us check if the potatoes have been boiled properly. They seem to be just about done. Now let's add the first extract of the coconut milk, that is the one with the thicker consistency, into the pan, and let's boil it for around 30 seconds. Next, add some curry leaves and around 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and allow it to boil for another 30 seconds. Let's switch off the gas and we'll transfer everything to a bowl. And our potato stew is ready to be served as part of the Onam Sadhya.
I'm sure this dish will be a great addition to your Onam Sadhya. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on more such videos. So before I go, I would like to wish you all a happy Onam. So I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.